creamy, colorful, summer fresh. Today we're making a creamy avocado, corn, and black bean salad that's colorful, refreshing, and packed with fresh summer flavor. Let's get started. Gather creamy avocado, black beans, sweet corn, fresh vegetables, and a few simple ingredients for this colorful summer salad. Whisk the vegan Greek-style yogurt with fresh lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper until the dressing is smooth and creamy. Add the black beans, sweet corn, avocado, and fresh vegetables. Then gently fold everything together with the creamy lime dressing. Finish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime before serving. Discover more quick meals in my 10-minute Healthy Meals ebook. The link is in the pinned comment. Creamy avocado, sweet corn, and black beans make every bite fresh, colorful, and satisfying. Join Yum's Kitchen for free and get exclusive member extras. The links for today's recipe and to join Yum's Kitchen are in the pinned comment. See you next time.